Obviously if you don't have a gas barbecue and you don't have an oven in your camper van, you need somewhere to cook your pizza. So this is something I put together a few years back and we've used it a lot of times, as you can see. And this is basically a disposable barbecue, or two disposable barbecues, or reusable cheap barbecues from Asda. I think they're about £1.99 or £2 each. This is two of them, so there's two bases here. You don't really need the rest of it. I found a tray that fits into the middle of one. That pizza stone I use in my other gas barbecue also fits in there, which makes it even better, but it can be done with just this tray. So this part here can actually sit onto your gas cooker on one of your rings in your camper van. This plate sits on top, your pizza sits on there, and then this piece actually sits on the top to enable it to cook all in one. And we've used this many times. We don't just use it on the gas cooker, we've actually used this on our wood burning stove as well. I'll put a photograph of the setup we have with our wood burning stove, which is outside the camper van, and this just sits on top of the wood burning stove and cooks pizzas really nice outside. So if we haven't got the gas barbecue with us, or we don't want to use that and we've got the wood stove working, we'll put this on top of the wood stove and we'll cook our pizzas in this. And we can cook various other things in the top of it as well. It's just a basic oven, but I think the full thing costs less than about £6 to make. And this must be about 2-3 years old now. I've left one of the legs on so you can pick it up when the lid's hot. This could actually be used on an open fire as well. If you put it in the embers of an open fire, it could actually be used on that, or a standard barbecue.